Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another amazing video. See this hair. You won't believe I make this hair using extension hair, using braiding hair, whatever you call it, attachment. And this is how it comes out today, guys. This is another banger. So let's go straight to the video. It's been a while, I've been busy. But guys, let's go straight to the video. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Oh gosh.
So guys, what we are going to be needing for today is color 33. So I make use of color 33 for the back side, and color is color 33, color 35, this color 35, color 33 for the front part, and I cut the hair into 6. So this is the cutting you are seeing. So I've already cut the I've started the air, I've started the ventilation. You can see how I'm ventilating it. So I decided to use the Agona method this time, my people. So if you have been watching my video, I've been using vertical, horizontal, the straight one. But I noticed that the air, like, the ventilation is not that full, like, you understand, we are learning every day. So I decided to use vertical method for all my ventilation. And so that's in my next video you are going to be seeing more of vertical method. So this is it, and this is how it's looking like after a lot of ventilation. It's a 13 by 6 frontal wig. So by this side I've already used the other color for the front side because I don't want it to be lousy, you understand. So I just wanted to make it more natural at the front. So I'm done with the hair, and this is the mannequin hair. I'm going to be using my cap and the needle, then the thread. So this is the frontal. This is how it's looking like. I've cut the hairline and everything. So this is the placement of the frontal wig. You can see how it's looking. So I'm going to be using my pin to pin the hair down. So when at this side, when you are placing your frontal, please make sure you lay it very well. Make sure the frontal wig comes, whether you understand what I'm saying, like let the frontal wig comes out very well so that it won't give you problem while installing the hair. So this is how I'm placing the hair. Then I'm going to make sure the hair fits in very well, you understand, guys. So this space I'm going to sew the frontal to the lace. So in this side, make sure you are not leaving too much space. Make sure since we are not sewing it with machine, so you make sure you are just sewing it gently. So guys, before we move forward, please don't forget to give your girl, the only way you can support my channel is giving me a like and subscribe to this channel. And thank you guys for the 1k subscriber. I really appreciate you. And if I drop a video on how I coils my wave on, so you my synthetic hair, you can check it out. And let's talk on this. So you are just going to use your thread to, please be very careful where you are here because it tangles a lot. So when you are not that patient, so this is it. This is how it's looking like after. So you see it's flat already at the back, so you don't have any problem. So let's go straight to the next side. So guys, welcome back. This place we are going to be crocheting the hair. So today I really find that my crochet pin, I have the one with long big mouth, so I couldn't show the first one because before the pins could enter, I think all of us should know how to crochet by now. So this is just crocheting it. So the mistake I make here is tying it twice. I just tie it once, but when I get to the middle I started tying it twice. So when you are making yours, please don't make the same mistake I make at this side. So when you get to the middle, you tie it twice. So thank you guys, and
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the
So guys, after doing the front, like the first row, I'm going to be putting my tape rule to measure 1 inches. I want the crochets to be straight, so I'm going to be measuring 1 inches. So you are seeing me, you can use anything. I'm making use of my eye pencil. If you have a marker, that would be the best, or if you have a chalk. Here I don't have a chalk, so I have to use what I have to do what I don't have. So manage with me, guys. So yeah, I've already traced it out, and I will be removing my tape rule, so measuring tape. Anyhow, so anyone you call this, sorry. So you are going to be tracing it together, so you can see the lines are more glaring. So these are the patterns I'm following. You can see this side I've already crocheted some parts. You can see I'm following the line. So yeah, I'm done with the crochet part. So yeah, make sure you are going to brush the hair very well. You know, we are working with expression, you are working with braiding hair, so you need to comb the hair very well, you understand. And don't forget, I said I started tying the hair to eyes, yeah, at this point. So you comb, after combing very well, you make sure you comb the close frontal part also while doing the.
pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know it's easier.
So guys, you are going to be, what the next thing we are going to be doing now is to cut the excess net, so underneath the frontal. So make sure you first cut it into two, and be very careful while cutting the net, so you won't tamper with the frontal. So this is how I cut the excess lace out, you can see. So I leave some excess lace first, so excess net, just for me to just make sure the frontal is protected. You can see how I'm doing it. So make sure you cut it very neat. So this is how it's looking like after cutting, and I've placed it on my mannequin head for the next thing. So now the next thing to do, now you can see how it's giving. So the next thing is to do, now I'm going to be needing my bending rollers. You can see how the bending roller is, because you call it flexi rod. So that is what we are going to be using for today's video. So you can see I've sectioned the hair, and I've um I've packed it for easy rolling. So this is, you make sure you comb the hair very well. Make sure you comb it very well. You know, you are working with expression, you are working with braiding hair, so it's not like wave on. So you brush it very well. And this is how I'm using my bending rollers. I know you should know how to use it. It's not that difficult. Everybody should know how to use a bending rollers. So make sure it is very tight while doing this, while rolling it. So this is how I rolled it. So another thing I want you guys to know here is that just be there. Make sure you are using more bending rollers, because I'm going to be telling you the reason why I said so.
It's lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through.
So guys, this side I'm done running the hair, and the next step is putting the hot water. So yeah, be generous with your conditioner. Don't be stingy like me. So be generous, be generous with your conditioner. You understand? So be generous with your. You can use any conditioner, any type you want to use. It's a very hot water. You can see you can feel the heat of the water now, even while watching this video. So make sure the water is very hot. You understand? And after pouring the water, after putting the hot water, you're not going to after putting the hot water, you're going to stir it very well to make sure the conditioners mix with the water very well. That is very important. You can see me mixing the air very the water very well. So while doing this, you can see I still add more conditioner to make the air more silky. You understand? This is very necessary. Conditioner, you need to be generous with it. Then you're going to dip the air into the water. You can see how the air is looking like. So you dip it into the water, hot water, please, not warm water, hot water. So after you dip it into the water, make sure you use something very you can use to you can see how I'm doing it so that you know what yourself. So make sure the air enter the water very well. Make sure it enters the air very well. You understand? So I did this so that the water is going to enter the waveform very well. You understand? So guys, I hope you are learning a lot in this video. Please guys, I'm going to be dropping a new videos on the trending style on Afro. So just put this if you want me to make the video on the shortcut of Afro, the one that is revealing now, you can put it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel once again. So thank you. So let's go back to the business. You can see I'm still dipping the air into it. That is what I want you guys to see. So this is the air after some hours. I actually dip the air into the air in the evening, so I make sure the air the second day, you understand, that was when I removed the flexi roll. So I can say maybe 6 hours, you understand. So before I remove the air and the air dry, make sure the air dry before you remove the flexi roll, you understand. So after removing the flexi roll, you can see this is how the air. So this place, the reason why I said you should use your flexi roll, I really do not like the way the coils data comes as well, because my flexi rod I use it for another hair, so I have to manage only 10 pieces for this hair. So that's why I'm seeing the coils is not giving me what I want, but it literally comes out nice. So that's just a mistake I made in this video, and I wouldn't want you to make that kind of. Alright guys, after a lot of after you have removed the hair, you have already make sure the coils is out. So the next thing is to trim. So you start trimming with is either you use blade or you use your scissors. So in this video I'm going to be using my scissors. So I'm done trimming. You can see the one I cut out. I really cut a lot of hair out of this. Then I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner, mega growth leave-in conditioner, for this hair to make it more softer. You can see how I'm even using the make sure it enters the air very well, so that it's going to give this soft look, you understand. So you make sure you use your hand to massage the air very well to bring the air out, so that you can still see some faults in it. So after this I still have to trim some hair because I want it to be so short, you understand. We call this busy coil rat. So make sure it's very short and not too short. So you can see me how I'm trimming the hair, and you can see the coil is coming out already. So that is the main thing make I make sure happens in this tutorial. I make sure I trim the hair very well, you understand. So after trimming, I realized that the coils are pumping. So this is the look of the hair after trimming. This is how the back of the hair it looks like. So I still have to put the leave-in conditioner because I want the hair to be more soft and to be giving this wave on texture, blend texture. So this is how the front is looking like, and this is how the result of the hair comes out on my mannequin hair. You can see. So this is it, yo. So this is how it's looking like. Sorry, I did not install this here because my glue actually finished, so I just got in it. So maybe I'm going to make a short video after this video to show my installation of the air. So this is how the look the air comes out to be. So guys, what do you think about this hair? What do you think? Rate me. So I make sure you try this hair. It's simple. You can it just depends on maintenance, and nobody will know it's a braiding hair once you slay it with all your
Period.
might. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye
Period.
bye.
Thanks for watching.